Hi guys, so today we're gonna make some chocolate chip overload ice cream. So easy, so quick, and you're gonna love it. Now you only need 4 ingredients to make this ice cream base. You need some whole milk, heavy whipping cream, vanilla, and sugar. That's it. This is the perfect base to any flavor you want to make. So you're going to go ahead and stir that and make sure all the sugar's dissolved. And then we're going to go ahead and pour that into our ice cream maker. So now that we have it in our ice cream maker, we're going to go ahead and start to layer in our ice and our salt. I got this ice cream, well I didn't, my son bought this ice cream maker from Walmart for about $35.
This is the salt. We were looking everywhere for it, but we could not find it. And then, all out of nowhere, my son found it at Walmart.
No.
Hashtag ad.
Yeah. So like I said, all we're going to do is go ahead and layer our ice and our salt. So now we're just going to let this run for about 35 to 45 minutes. It's soft serve at this point, so if you want to eat it like this, go ahead. But of course, I have to be extra, so I'm going to go ahead and add in my mix-ins. I like to take 2 bags, yes I said 2, of mini chocolate chips and add it to this. We are a family that prefers ice cream with our toppings. We love toppings. We love mix-ins. Yes, so we add a lot. So next we're going to quickly mix in our chocolate chips. Then we're going to go ahead and pop this in the freezer. Now, depending on how soft you like your ice cream, I like mine's pretty firm, so I leave it in there a few hours. Y'all, this ice cream is so good. Number 1, it has no eggs, which I love. Number 2, it's full of chocolate, which I love. Number 3, it's smooth and creamy. It's not like milky ice, it's actually like ice cream. You guys, you'll love it. My son absolutely loves this ice cream. Ice cream is his favorite, so he loves this. Yum.